you switch off your cameras. Akshita, switch off your camera. Okay. So that you will get the video in full screen. Okay. I've got students saying that they are getting the video in small screen. That is part of the screen only. So keep your camera switched off so that you'll have the video in full screen. Okay. Recorded video. Okay. So first one, we all will be solving. So mark the steps how we are going to solve. So 256, its root we have to calculate using prime factorization method. That is, you have to find the prime factors. So first calculate the factors 256. Start with 2. How much it will be? Okay, next one. How much? It is divisible by 2. How much you are getting? 64. Next one.
32.
2, 16, 2, 8.
8, 4, 2, 1.
Okay. So how many we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times you have to write. So 256 equal to 1, 2. Okay, 3, 6, 7, 8. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear to everyone?
Root 256 equals to root 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2
Okay,
into 2.
1 minute, that's fine. Okay. Now we have to take the root. Okay, or take it afterwards. Okay, we take it now only. Root of 256. If you are writing root of 256, then on both sides it has to be root. Remember this one? Equal to sign is there. If you are taking on left hand side, it must be there. Okay. Now make the pairs.
Sir, 4 pairs.
Okay. These are the pairs. No one is single now. Okay. So now from each pair we have to take one out. Again we have to write root 256. When we have taken out first
2 into 2 into 2 into 2.
Sir, 4 times.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
sir,
This
sir,
equals
we have
16,
that ones in between.
Yes. Rest of you, please stay quiet. Okay. Please stay quiet. Okay. Let me explain first, then you keep doing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 we have. Okay. 2 to the 4, 2 8, 16. This is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If this is clear, then solve the third one, 784. Start doing third one, everyone, 784. Okay. Keep yourself mute, everyone, and start doing 784. Third one, second one, do as homework. This everyone have understood. These steps are proper.
8 minutes. Submit.
I am waiting for 2 minutes. Don't worry. Okay. Keep doing. Okay. Complete first one. Okay. Those who are completed first, do the third one. Okay. Do the third one. Okay. I'm waiting 1 minute for everyone.
Yes, sir. Now you can reflect.
Okay. Everyone have completed first one, 256. Anyone left? So one who is left can only answer. Okay. So when I ask you if anyone left, the one who have left, they can say. Okay. 784. Do this one. 784. Factorize 784. Everyone, stay quiet and factorize. Okay. So we have 784. So it is divisible by 2. Everyone keep yourself muted. 2, 3, 90. Again it is divisible by 2. 1, 96.
Sir, 196.
Okay. Keep doing. 2. Again
Sir, 98.
90.
98.
98. 2.
49.
49.
Sir, 49.
49.
7.
7. Okay. Everyone have got the same answer or not? Keep doing in your notebook. Everyone have got the same answer? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Stay quiet then. 784. You have to first we'll be writing this one. 2 into 2, 2 into 2,
7 into 7.
7 into 7. Okay, this we have written. Now we can put root on both sides. Okay, and pair them. Very quietly pair them. Okay, we paired them. Now, next step we'll be writing root of 784 equal to, from each pair we are taking one out. When we are taking a root, we have removed the root. 2, 2, 7. How much we have got? 784, 428. Understood?
So next, which we have to?
Next, which one we should go? Okay, sixth one. Sixth one, do it. Everyone do sixth one. There will be little trouble here. Okay. Let's see who all can get over that. Okay. Anyone left who haven't completed the second one or haven't understood third one? Anyone who haven't understood third one will only reply. Anyone who haven't understood third one, second, third? Okay, all have done. Good. Okay, do sixth one. Do sixth one. It is 60025. Okay, so check whether it is divisible by 2. No. Check for 3. How to check for 3? Add the digits. 6 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 not divisible by 4. You can add them as 1 plus 4, 5 not divisible by 3. 4, 5. Check for 5.
6 plus 2 is 8.
Sir, it is divisible by 5.
Oh yes, 6 plus 2 is 8. Thank you. 8 plus 5, 13. Okay. There was something on my mind. Okay. Good. 6 plus 2 is 8. I made a blunder. 60025. Okay. Divide it with 5. So it will be 12.
105.
1, 2, 0, 0, 5 or what? 1, 2, 0, 5 or 0, 0, 5?
Sir, 005.
Okay, good. Again with 5. 6, 0, 0, 1. Or wrong is there. Check it once again. This is wrong.
So 2401.
2401.
2.
Yes.
1.
2401. Okay. Now check. Now everyone check with what number it is going to. 5 it won't go. 6. Check for 7.
So not going.
7 or check for once. Check for 7. Check it. Check for 7.
Yes, sir. Sir, going.
It is going. Okay. 7. 3s are 21. 30. 4.
Sir, 343.
343. Okay. This is a special number. 343. Is it going from which number it should go? Check for 7 again.
$49.
49. Good. Check for 7.
Sir, yes.
Understood this one? So keep going by this. 5, 6, 7, then 3 is not going, so 9 won't go. Okay. Now we'll be writing 60025 equal to 5 into 5 into 7. How many times? 4 times. Take the root. Take the root. Make the pairs.
So 5 into 7 into 7.
Sir, 5 into 7 into 7. Sir, 5 into 49 to 45.
That is fine. Okay. So root of 60025.
240. Answer.
5 into 7 into 7. 49 5s are 245.
245.
245.
245. Good. So rest of you can do as homework. Or do you want one
Yes.
more question to do?
Sir, homework.
Homework, okay. We start with third. Okay. How to find using division method, okay. So let me explain first, okay. So we will be taking the one of them number, okay. So I start with, okay, easy, we go with 841, okay. Division method. So we'll be dividing. Okay, 1 minute. 841. Okay, this number. So first here, we'll be making a pairs as well here. Okay, how we make the pair? For example, I give a number 53923.63892. How we are going to make the pair? So we start from decimal number. One time we have to go left hand side. Once we have to go right hand side. Understood this one? How to make pair? We start from here. That is, we are going from this decimal place towards this and this side. Okay. Now going from, we start pair. One pair, second pair. Now it will remain single. It will remain single, no pair. Okay, go in this side, one pair, other pair, single. Understood this one? So where is the decimal point here? Here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
From
Yes,
here
sir.
we start
Yes,
the pair. Okay, this will be single. Either we'll put the bar or no issues. Okay, this will be our pair. So wherever we are going to take, they will go together. This 41 is going to go together everywhere. This is clear? Okay. So first of all, we should make the pair. Now we'll start dividing. Okay. And how we are going to divide? So first, what we have to take? 8 we have to take. We have taken 8. Okay. Just listen first. We have taken 8. So we have to find a number. We have to find a number such that whose square, this number we have to find, whose square, either it is equal to 8 or less than 8. That is nearest to 8 it must be. It must be nearest to 8. That is, this one must be the greatest number which can be less than or equal to 8. So take 1, it is less than 8. Take 2 square, again it is 4, less than 8. Okay. Take 3 square, it is 9. 9 is greater than 8. So 3 square we cannot take. What we have to take? 4
square.
And so 2 we will be taking. Whose square we are taking? 2. So write 2 here. Write 2 here. This is our question. Okay. 2 into 2, how much? 4. 2 into 2, 4. This is clear? So we have found the number whose square is greatest, just near to 8. So it is 4. Now subtract them. How much it will be? 4. Okay. Now we have to write the next number as we used to do in division. That next number we used to put. So this time we have to put this 4, 1 together. Because wherever they go, they will go together. Okay. Okay, and on this side, what you have to do? This 2 we have written, we will add that. 2 plus 2, 4. Write it here. Here we have to leave space. Okay, we have to leave space. This is clear till now? Any doubt you have?
Sir, why we have added the 2?
Okay, we have taken the square of that one. Kind of, we have taken the square. 2 plus 2, 4 we have taken. Okay, double of that we have taken. What is the reason that I will tell you? In one lecture I will take. Okay, 4 we have taken. Now, what number should be here? What number should be here such that 4, this first digit we have to enter some number into the same, such that whatever we get, it must be nearest to this one. Okay, so we can check which we should check. Any number you take, 441, it should be nearest to this one. 3 you take, okay? 7 you are taking, okay? We are taking, so 47 into 7. 7 7 ja 49, 4. 7 4 ja 28. 3 2 9, okay. Okay, 3 to 9, it is less, okay. Now check for 8. Check for 8 once. 48 into 8. 8 8 ja 64. 6 32. 384. Okay. Okay, again it is less. Check for once more. 49 into 9. 9 9 ja 81. 8 9 4 ja 36. It will be 441. Okay. This is nearest, that is equal to or less than we must have. So we have to put 9 here and 9 here. 441. Now for the remainder is 0. So we have to stop here. So what is the root? 29. What is the 29 is the root. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who haven't understood, just tell me, because there are many students still who haven't understood. Okay, this is clear. So see the question. What we did, again see it, I'm solving here. 8 41 we have written. Yes.
Sir, how will we find that 9 will come after the 4, sir? It will take long time, sir, if we multiply
Okay, there's
with
one more
40.
thing. Okay, there's one more idea I'll give you. Okay, how to get nearest to this one, I'll tell you that as well. Okay, this time I'll tell you. Okay, when we solve this one. Okay, a little idea I'll provide you. Okay, 841 we got. Okay, now first here the number will come whose square is equal to or less than this one, nearest to this one. So 1 square, no, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 9 will be more. So we'll write 2. 2 here because we are multiplying.
8.
Yes.
Sir, why only we 8 we taken?
Okay, so see here, we have to pair them. Now we have to take the pair together. Here it will remain single. So I have told you from the decimal point, we start this one. 3, 2, 4, 7, 3 like this. Okay, one pair, other pair is single. Or it is 8, 4, 3. This time it will be paired. 8, 4 we have to take.
Sir,
Okay.
then how we will solve? Sir, if
Which one? This one? We will be taking examples. Okay, second is 23004. We'll solve that one. Okay. So see here again, 2 2 ja 4. Okay. So we got 4 here. It is same as division. This is our divisor. This is our quotient. So 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Subtract it. We are getting 4. So now we have to put the next digit here. So here next digit is this one, 41. We have to put them together, 41. Okay. Now here we have to find the divisor again. What should be the divisor? So we'll plus 2. Okay. Or we can say we repeat it once. Okay. Plus 2, 4. Leave space here. Okay. So there will be something at one's place. Okay. Abhimanyu, you can switch off your camera so that video will be available in full screen. Okay. It will be available to you all in full screen. Okay. So see, and now the question is how we can find. Either it's a hit and trial that we check for 7, we check for 5, 3, 2. We start from 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like we do. Okay, there's one more way. Okay. Once digit we do not know. Here as well, forget about once digit. So how much you are getting? 44 divided by 4, 11. 11 something you are getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But see here, always listen. It cannot be 10. It cannot be 11. Here only single digit has to come. Here only single digit has to
Yes.
come. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
11 and 10 we cannot take. So go for 9. Check for 9. Okay. Now see here, for example, we have taken 9. It comes out to be more than 441. then go for 8. Okay, understood this one now? We'll be taking this in many more questions, okay? So now 9. So 49 into 9, we get 441 and it get cancelled. Okay, this is clear. Now 2304. Okay, first you try to do it for a minute, little bit you try, then we'll do 430 230 2304. Okay, so start the pairing from this side. We'll do the pairing left hand side. Okay, we have next is 2304.
Sir, pairs are 2, 3 and 0.
04. Okay, this time what we have to take 0423. Okay, now check the number. Okay, 23. Okay, check for that one. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 4 square 16. It is still less. 5 square 25. So what we have to go with?
Square.
With 4?
4 square.
Okay, 4 put here, 4 put here. Okay, 4 4s are 16. Okay,
15.
subtract it.
7.
How much you are getting? 7.
7.
Okay, next digit 04.
0.
This is clear. Now we have to on that side. So what will be? It will be
Sir, 8.
plus 1 minute 8. Okay, this digit we have to take. Okay, okay. So forget about 4 here as well. This digit. So 8 by what we should multiply nearly?
8.
70 divided by 8.
8.
1 minute, 1 minute. For example, we do not know. We do not know, for example. Okay. We do not know. Okay. By what number we should multiply?
Sir, by 8.
8. 70. Try to divide 70 by 8. That I know 8 is going to be
Sir, 8.
answer. 1 minute. Okay. So nearest it is 8 9 just 7. 8 9 just 63. For example, we are taking 9. Okay. For example, we are taking 9. Okay. Just see here, for example, we are assuming that it can be 9. Okay. Multiply 89 by 9. How much it is coming? Multiply once. 9 9 ja 81. 9 8 ja
72.
72. Okay. For
72.
example, we have taken little bit like that. Okay. It is 72, but we have assumed that it can be 9, for example. We have assumed that one. Okay. 72 and 8.
80.
80. 801. It is much more.
Sir, 88 we try.
So we try with 8. Sometimes we can assume it can be 9 or it can be 8, like that. Okay. 8 8 ja, how much?
64.
64. 6 8 8 ja 64 70. So 8
88.
704. Okay.
88 we should write here. Sir, downside
Yes.
4. Yes, sir.
It's okay if we write, it's fine, but we have got the number. Okay. And cross it. Or 0 we can put. Okay. As well, if you assume 8 8 just 64, it can be. So it can be 8, it can be 9, depending on the last digit as well. Sometimes it varies. Okay. So you have to check. Okay, do the next one then. 39204. Everyone do the next one. Three 9204. So we have 39204. Again, okay, single we want to put or not is fine. Okay. So what should come there? What will be there once? 1 square 1, 2 square 4, again greater. So we'll take 1 here.
1 square.
Okay. So what will be they going to do? Add 2. Okay, here we are getting 292. Okay. Here how much? 2.
And 0.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what should we multiply with? Now what should we multiply with?
9.
9. Okay, check with 9. 29 into 9. Check it.
Sir, 261 coming.
261. Okay. But again we are getting 31. 29. 9. Okay. Okay. Is this clear? Anyone have doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay, what will be the next step? We have to put it here. Okay. And what will be here? 30?
8.
Here?
Dash.
Dash we have to put. Okay, now check it. How we are going to check? What should be here? This time, forget 2 digits. Okay. As well here, forget 2 digits. For example, we have forgotten 2 digits here, 2 digits here. So here it is 3, here it is 31. So by what should you multiply? 10. 10 we can't take. We can't take 9. Check for 9 once. If it is greater than,
Yes,
we check for 8. Okay.
8.
First check for 9. Let's check for 9. How much it is coming? Check for 9 once. How much it is coming? 501. This much are you getting?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it more? It is more.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So in notebook you can do on side. Okay, check it for 8 now. Check it for 8.
So 3104.
3104. Okay. 3104. Okay. 8. Okay, we forgot to write 9 and 8. Okay. There's one more way I tell you here. See here. If it is a perfect square, then see here, it has ended here. Now only even number can come here. If we know if this is a perfect square, then only even number can come here. Since it's even can only come here. Okay. But don't do that one. Because in question it is not given it is a perfect square or not. It's not provided to us. So we do not know that one. This is clear. So here we have to hit and try. Okay. If it is more, we take the next smaller number. This is clear. Okay. Then do the next one. Do the next one. We leave. 55225. Okay. Do this just next one. I take only 2 minutes to take. Okay. We do fast. And next two, do as homework. Do it fast. 55. Okay. It is 55225. 55225. 1, 2, 3. Okay, first one, 2, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, plus 2, 4. So what should be here?
So 3.
4, 3. Check for 3. Check for 3. 43 into 3. How much? 9? 129. Okay, for safety purpose, you can check for 4 as well. We can check for 4 as well for safety purpose. 4 4 16, 1 4 4 16, 176. More than, so 3 will go with. Okay, we can check for safety purpose as well. 129. Subtract them and tell me fast. How much you got? 12, 12, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. 2, 5. And here, how much we have to write? Okay, I forgot to write 3. 3 plus 3, 46. Find this digit. Okay, rest you can do as homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay, find that digit. Okay, since if it is perfect square, then something I think 5 will come. Okay, check it for 5, 6 like that. Okay, first digit forget. First digit forget. Okay, forget it. 4, 5 are 20. So it can be 4, 5, 6. Maybe something nearby that. Okay.
465. Sir, 465. 5.
5. Yes, that's correct.
2, 3, 5.
So here hit and try. So next do as homework. Try to do them. Third one. Okay. Okay then.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Bye.
Complete up to third question. Thank you all.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank
Yes,
you.
yes. Thank you. Okay. So complete up to third question. Okay. Try to do them. If no, we'll try in class. Okay. Okay. Try.